Beautiful move-in ready triple wide manufactured home. Mountain Springs age qualified 55 plus senior park in Banning. This home features 2 bedrooms plus 3 bedrooms /den/office, 2 bathrooms, 2-car attached garage. Open floor plan with vaulted ceilings. Kitchen with granite countertops, breakfast bar, breakfast nook, white appliances, extra cabinetry for storage, French doors to the backyard. Huge master bedroom and retreat, laminate wood flooring, ceiling fans, walk-in closet and separate wardrobe closet, door to the backyard from the retreat area. Master bathroom with dual vanity sinks, spa soaking tub, and separate shower stall. Guest bedroom with wardrobe closet doors and ceiling fan, carpet flooring. POS 3rd bedroom /den/office with ceiling fans and carpet flooring. Individual laundry room with soaking tub, extra cabinets, and door to exit to the side yard. Backyard is ready for you to make it your own, covered patio off the kitchen, and wrought iron fencing.